Welcome to the Shearer Equipment Quick Tip Series.
Hi, my name is Tim Kalka with Shearer Equipment. This is Grant Gill, and today we're going to show you how to remove your Auto Connect deck for your John Deere 1000 series compact tractor. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your deck knob is in the install position. All right, we're going to drop our gauge wheels. We're going to let the deck all the way down. From here, you're going to reach under the tractor and unlock with the lock mechanism. From here, you want to be in four-wheel drive and low gear, and you'll back over the deck while lifting up your loader so your loader doesn't hit the deck. Once we've driven back over the deck, we want to raise the deck and reset our gauge wheels. And now you're ready to mow.